apparently I'm losing my live capabilities soon, so please follow me so I can keep going live. But today I'm going to be doing Alex's mini maintenance. The importance of mini maintenances are so grand. Like, you need to keep up with your mini maintenances. I'm just going to talk while I do it so you can see how it works. This is for a sew-in method. And yeah, let's see. Oh, does it not turn around? Oh, there we go. You can't double tap it. Oh, lame. So, it's been about 5 weeks since Alex's install. She has manipulated it. So she's a hairstylist, so I mean, yeah. But I mean, it looks really good still. Should actually watch mine and see if anyone comments since I can't see it. You know, if you have questions. So I believe, did we do the top and second row different methods?
I think so.
So this top row was installed with the Sierra and Sage method because it is a hidden bead method, so you don't see where it's lodged in. So in that case, I have to kind of split this open to find her natural. Wait, what? Do it. Let's see if I can view request. Go live. We're live with Denver Blown Box. Are we gonna get feedback? Ooh, good idea. Good idea. Hopefully, I'm separating the hidden bead. I think this is actually longer than the mini itself.
It took me,
That's brutal.
I was like, there's just one that did not want to come out.
Oh,
It's like, I'm showing.
yeah. Sometimes you do have to just like go around them.
Right?
Start your next section and just do it later. These aren't too bad. I feel like I did a clean enough job that I can see everything. Is it weird to look at the back of your head?
A little bit, but this is kind of cool.
Should I tilt this up?
Yeah.
Good. A little more. Thank you. It's so close. There. Ah, we'll just go a little further back. Okay. Are you doing anything this weekend?
My favorite tea place was kind of like Smig, that HBO I told you about in Oklahoma. But like the chai sweet tea.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
And the blueberry sweet tea. I'm obsessed with
Blueberry?
yes.
I love. That's so funny. You should deliver Aaron's clients. Gas is actually really low right now. Today's the day to fill. It's actually not that much more expensive in Miami. I was shocked. I feel like more populated areas would be more expensive.
Right, and even like their
Is it?
yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That must feel like
You know, that makes sense because there's another state where the cost of living is lower, but the gas is higher.
yeah.
So, when you're doing a mini with beads, you want to kind of separate the beads to kind of like undo any like matting that could have happened, and it'll make the actual pulling the bead up easier. And I actually love this feeling. I love this part of running. It just feels good. Yes.
And your mini shouldn't hurt. Your extension shouldn't hurt.
Your extensions shouldn't hurt. You shouldn't have a headache for your install or your mini. There are some people that are just extra sensitive and it does happen, but for the most part, it shouldn't.
No, but if you have an extremely tender head,
Yeah.
you'll most likely still feel it, and it might cause a little bit of pressure. But if it's perfect,
If you need to take Advil,
take them.
yeah, please tell your stylist. It literally happens probably every time I have a client.
Really?
Yeah. It's not their fault. So now I'm going to use these pliers to pop these beads open, comb the shedded hair that naturally comes out, and then push the bead up and close it. I usually use the tray on the right side, so this is kind of hard. I know. I should have put the camera on the left, to be honest, but here we are. Ooh, is someone road rage? Oh no, he's singing. Wait. Oh, he listens.
Hi.
I think he was just talking passionately.
It's so funny. My hair looks so dark compared to the extensions.
Dude, your hair does look dark, but your new growth looks light.
Really?
Yes, which is weird because this is your natural. No, but you grew your color out and you did a hair touch.
Right.
And so your natural is the base.
Hold on.
What do you think?
I am confusion.
I know, I'm confusion.
Why Arkansas? Why not Arkansas?
I am confusion. What? Arkansas? Classic. That was Vine, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Vine? That's a great one.
It's my favorite.
Oh my god. I think mine. I don't even remember, to be honest. I just remember the voice. There were a lot of kicking ones.
There really were, but I'm
Yes. Free Shabakadu.
Oh, that was fun. I feel like the one where it's like, ooh, that was like the most recent book where you was.
I feel like there are a couple that should have been fine, but we're a little too late.
Yeah, like, why did mine go away? I know it became musically, but still.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, like order. Musically was the new design.
Yes. I don't remember why. I think they didn't have money.
Sometimes I open it first, and sometimes I open it in the bead.
I don't like that.
That's pure.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. My favorite font. See, that doesn't feel high enough. Yeah. Look how much clearing. I don't know what to do about that one, so we're gonna close it and come back.
Let's say it feels fine. Try the next one and then go back, because it might just be that it needs extra help on the other side.
Okay. So I should know this, but one of my best friend's wedding songs is an Ed Sheeran song, and I cannot remember which one it is, but I think it might be this one.
I was gonna say my brother.
He's just so classic. I guarantee we're still going to be talking about him when he's 60 and 70.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one is like Michael Jackson. Maybe not. Maybe that was rude. I don't know.
I know. I don't know. I love Michael Jackson.
I love Michael Jackson.
So
Well,
hasn't had much work.
yeah, I don't believe it.
I don't either.
He was a victim. Yeah.
Mhm.
Literally. That one actually did get higher up. So I think it is just that one weird one. So during your mini maintenance, it is completely normal if you need to have your corners readjusted, and that is included in your mini.
And I think, do you need that? Yes. I'm like, you'll see the top row.
Yeah.
I really don't know how I fold it down so far on this side, especially. Like, I would get it on this side.
Yeah, I don't know. There we go. Oh, that is a good trick.
Yeah, girl. I'm like,
It hurts?
it worked.
Oh,
Sorry.
I was like, no. Is Mama Alice not here?
No, I'm out.
What the heck? She's probably partying. I think she does have a party to go to today. She does. I think it's a friend's birthday party. Having an Elton John theme. Yes. Oh, I love this now. Okay, it freaks me out at first.
Right? It's like weird, but I was like, I'm not
I do like it. Yeah. Yeah. I use their method on Bellamy wefts.
Oh, yeah. I switch it up.
You gotta do what's best for the install.
You want to know what I messed up on today?
No.
No, it happens to everyone. If your stylist doesn't post you, you get sad. It's probably because they forgot.
Or they don't like their own picture taking skills.
That too.
If the lighting's bad, like I try to power through bad lighting, but sometimes it's just bad. Sometimes it's just not fixable. I will say too, like your color's growing out so good.
I'm gonna say I can't tell.
That's
There's
awesome.
like sometimes where like if it's like for X and I go straight down the middle,
Yeah.
then I can kind of feel it, but even then,
You have a lot of work. Oh yeah, is this where you sewed?
I did think out one of the beads I put in. So I was like, I
Oh really?
I heard it's
I was gonna say it seems like there is a bead missing.
right.
Okay.
There's like one that I have to figure out, but I just literally stuck my looper through the nail.
Okay. And it hurt because
I began myself to get at the right angle.
just kidding.
No, you know what's funny too? Do you need help? And I was like, no, I think I'll take it. Oh my god. So you look
So stubborn. That's so funny.
Oh, yeah.
Oh heck yeah, I love that.
Oh yeah, that's really
Dude, you just made my minis so much better.
nice. Right? Where do you get the sticker on?
Oh my god.
Which I was thinking about it. You should make a class on how to remove that without taking out.
I did do that.
Yes. It was insane.
I was very impressed with myself, if I do say so. And she did not want to remove her extension.
Yeah, which most of the time, if it's too matted, we have to because we can't get it. So then Danni over here with her skills and just picked at it, got it all out.
Probably took 3 hours.
Yeah, it was fun. See how the hair
Yep, she didn't lose any hair.
you know, with her extension.
No. Cute. I was very happy. I think I knew extensions were for me when I had a client in beauty school who needed K-tips removed. And this poor woman had been through it. So she got fresh K-tips in May. Unfortunately, was hospitalized immediately after. And then was stuck in bed until October. No one brushed her hair. No one washed her hair. Like this poor thing It was just like that.
If your friends are in the hospital, brush their hair for them.
Seriously, be your good friend.
It's like, if you don't let up really bad, the sticky, cracked thing.
Yes.
But the
bond.
on your hair or on your skin, it gets in your hair real quick.
Yep.
And it stays. They will not come out.
No.
Yeah, like so dangerous. I'm gonna think that.
I mean, I'm not sure what kind. But anyway, it took maybe 3 or 4 hours to take the paychecks out with 3 students. And I loved it. I was like, yeah, this is for me.
It is fun.
It is fun. I genuinely love it.
I know, I'm like, before when I didn't get this
Yeah.
glide them out,
Oh, I do love that.
but no.
We're coming back to that. Yeah, paychecks do come with pain for the stylist. Not for you. And then putting them in, I feel like
Yeah, the keratin bond.
it's 400 degrees.
Yeah, like, it burns. I don't think I have fingerprints.
No, actually, that's a fact for hairstylists. We lose our fingerprints. I actually don't have fingerprints on my ring and pinky finger on my left hand. Which is interesting because that's not my dominant. I don't know. Probably. To be honest. You don't wear gloves when I highlight. I know. It makes me slower. Yeah, and I lose my dexterity. My work is better. Let me not wear gloves. I chose this career.
We know the ins and outs of the chemical reaction.
Literally. It's fine.
Here's a video.
Decorum.
No.
You are still. You are not just a client. Just kidding.
Just
Just kidding. You are my client. Should I move this as I go? Look at that scale. Look at that hair. You're so funny.
Oh man, my client
Do you
has
want the stool?
now what my favorite tattoo was. And
Oh, that's what you're asking.
pulled my whole shirt for the body. I don't know why. Just take one that you can see.
That's so funny.
Like, Lord, here's a whole brown strap.
I've had people like full on, like,
But wait,
okay,
I'm like, oh, here's a big sea booty.
come sign.
Like, I am a maid, but just in case I love it, you might want to ask that time.
Like, I know I'm doing your hair, but I'm also a captive audience. I can't leave.
Oh, I heard you talking to your client about, like, since you have your own school. I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either. First of all, though, like, that's actually a look.
It is.
Love. That's your wedding look for Ariel. I've actually been looking for updos.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like, that's what you find them.
Yeah.
And she did show me one that was like a half up braid crown. It's in my hair. So like you have to wait till it gets seven to try it.
Yeah.
When I did it over this way, it's not like
Oh, no. No. Your hairstylist has to like it.
right. I'm like, no. Especially if I'm in the wedding, I gotta look at it. Oh, no.
True.
No.
True.
No. So shout out Ariel. We can't wait. Right.
So that one that I sent you, maybe you should do it on your hair.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it too. I gotta now figure out what I want. Because I have the bow.
Oh.
So like if I have that, I can at least turn that to the back of it and it'll still look good. That would be so cute. But
Yeah. Oh, we're not going out actually. We're just staying here and relaxing together. Just for some water.
drink some water. It's too hot today to be drinking.
I can't handle alcohol today. Literally, it's so hot. Dude, I am so thankful that I did it. Your poor legs.
Oh my god, like the back of my knees are there. I was like, this is
Our AC wasn't working earlier, so
like Brittany, if you are watching this, we figured it out. We figured it out. Totally good.
we messed up. So apparently, there's a door
Right.
or a lever.
Yeah, and then and a button for the love.
Yeah.
We were struggling.
It was 86 at some point in the salon, like not out,
Insane.
inside. And we had the doors open. We did have the fan running. It just wasn't running for us.
Yeah. Don't worry, because it wasn't on at all.
It wasn't. Dang, look how long. Can you see?
Oh, yay.
Love that. That's the other thing about extensions is it does help your hair grow. If it's making your hair fall out, you're not going to the right stylist, and you should be having growth.
Or your stylist is not giving proper home care.
Yeah.
That is the main thing, too, with taking care of your hair extensions. Because, like, even if you're doing the bare minimum, if you have the proper home care knowledge, it'll be okay. Like, your extensions will make it to the whole year they're supposed to. versus like if you get a stylist, but there's no way for you to be expected to take care of it.
That's very true. You can't blame yourself.
Right. So like, make sure you're getting all the information you need when getting it.
Yeah. Ask all the questions, super diligent. Okay. I'm going to stop it right here because this is a long live and we still have another row. But yeah, thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Yes.